Today, guys, we're going to find a natural koda in a natural habitat. Now, this dog is very vicious. She's a part of the dog family, but she's a part of the shitty weenie family. So, we're going to have to move this boulder / pillow, whatever the fuck it is, to see the koda in a natural habitat. I'll see you down there. Bring the phone. There she is, guys. It's a natural koda in a natural habitat. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna reach in here. Oh shit. We're gonna reach in here and poke it with the stick. Just poke it with the stick. Oh god! It's coming vicious. We must be careful around this animal, because if she gets too vicious, we must run. Oh my god, she's escaping the natural habitat. Run, everyone, run. Now, we're gonna go find a bird in her natural habitat. It's my mom's bedroom. Let's go poke it with a stick. The bird has spotted us. I'm really scared right now, because this animal is more vicious than the other one. Can you see the bird in the natural habitat? Now here we go. We must not wake the slumbering mom. The mom is awake. I must go touch it with the stick. Here we go. Look, she run. She's attacking. That was a close one. That's it for today. Tomorrow, next video, we will poke the mom.